The boxing hand grenade actually developed from a moment of urgency. I had injured my wrist and I'd injured my hand, so much so I was unable to form a proper fist. I was about to enter into a sparring session with a client and I chanced upon a scrap of foam from an exercise mat that I found on the boxing studio floor. I unceremoniously loaded the scrap of foam into the palm of my hand inside my boxing glove and was able to make a true fist inside my glove. This inspired me to create a product, a training aid that would enhance the structural integrity of the striking fist. Having reinforced the palm of my hands under my boxing gloves, I suddenly felt that my strikes on the punch bag and during sparring sessions had become far more powerful and explosive. That got me thinking about a hand grenade. As a boxing training aid, ultimately the boxing hand grenade offers implosive protection and explosive power. Upon the impact of a punch, the initial surface shock is dissipated via the flexion grooves, which are engineered onto the ergonomic outer shell. The shock wave then propagates through the material makeup of the grenade, which offers further shock attenuation. When it came to manufacturing the boxing hand grenade, every company that I spoke to would present me with a very expensive quote suggesting that I injection mould in polyurethane foam. Protolab's interactive coating system was really useful at this point. It allowed me to get a clear picture of what my part would look like and understand the impact that different materials and manufacturing processes would have on the price of my project. Because Protolabs understood my project so well, they were able to suggest PolyJet 3D printing using a clear digital photopolymer. This was a great solution as I was able to cost effectively produce a couple of prototypes and the material choice allowed for the flexibility that the part required. I know having the support of my account manager and the application engineering team, I'll be able to transition my product from a prototype through to mass production as smoothly as possible. Working with Protolabs has been a breath of fresh air. It's been so refreshing to deal with a company that took the time to discuss the application of my part, and that has been an absolute game changer. There may be a couple of fist loaders on the market, but there is only one boxing hand grenade.